Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today guys we want to unbox a 74X incubator ACDC. So let us open the box and see what is inside. This is the incubator itself. Styrofoam. This is the top cover, the one containing two fans. It has two fans, the DC 12 volt fan. This is the humidity sensor, and we have the temperature sensor. This one is for turning motor. This one is for turning motor. And then we are going to talk about this one. We have the turning rollers. We have the turning rollers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. 8 turning rollers. We have the cable for DC 12 volt. DC 12 volt. We have the cable for AC 240 AC. Poa. We have this small bottle for refilling the water for humidity. A small bottle for refilling the water for humidity. We have this one for sanitizer. When handling the egg, you have to sanitize first, so you can put your sanitizer inside here. And then finally we have the manual. You can go through it and you learn how to operate the machine by yourself. This is the manual. And then we have the base. This is the base. This is the base. You can just remove, if you can just remove the incubator outside. Let's remove it. So this is the bottom part. Yeah, mbili. So as I was saying, this is the base. This is the base. This is where you put the water. We have two sections here where you put water, and the water must be lukewarm. And then we have this part here. This part has the turning motor. This is the turning motor. And then we have this mesh, and then we have this mesh here. So this is how you assemble it. You have to fix it. Then after 18 days, you'll have to place your eggs down here. After 18 days, you remove the eggs from the turning roller and then you place them down here. So first of all, what you have to do is to add in water. The water must be lukewarm. So this bottle is provided. So you put water and then you add water through this channel. We have 3 channels here. You have the 3 channel for adding water. So you have to fill there with water, lukewarm water, and then these are the rollers. So this is how you place the roller inside the incubator. This is how you place the rollers. The rollers are 8 in number. So this roller, the other end has the sprocket. So this end with the sprocket have to come and lay here. Have to come and lay on this spiral, this yellow spiral. So this is how you fix it. The sprocket have to lay on this, on the spiral shaft. The sprocket have to lay on the spiral shaft, this yellow spiral shaft there, which is attached to the turning motor. So this is how you place the rollers. How you place the rollers. Okay, for 74 eggs incubator, the rollers are 8 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8 in number. So one advantage of this incubator, you can even hatch a bigger egg. But for the normal size of a chicken egg, this is the right spacing for the rollers. But if you have a bigger eggs, let's say maybe ostrich or something, or a bigger egg than the normal chicken egg, so you can come and remove one roller, so that you remain with the bigger gap, which can fit your bigger egg. I think you understand. That is how we place them. So this styrofoam, the work of this styrofoam is to insulate the incubator so that the temperature and the humidity can be maintained at a constant range. So it's advisable while incubating, you have to place the incubator inside this styrofoam. This one acts as a heat preservative, let me say. This one acts as a heat preservative. It will prevent the incubator from losing a lot of energy. Yeah. So while incubating, it's advisable you place this incubator inside this styrofoam like this. Start with this one. This is how you place it inside the styrofoam. Place it like that, and then you come with this side and you fix And then these are the channel of adding water. This way you'll be adding your water, you'll be doing your top up. And then you put this way you put the eggs. This way you put your eggs along these rollers. And then we have the engine here. This is the working engine of the incubator. It has two fans. It has the temperature sensor for detecting the for detecting the temperature inside the incubator, and then it will be displayed. Up here. And then we have the sensor for detecting the humidity, and the reading will be displayed up here. And then this one is for turning. So anytime you are incubating eggs, turning is very important. So you don't forget to plug this one. You have to plug this one so that turning can take place. Without plugging this one, no turning will take place, and so the hatching, maybe your eggs will not hatch. So you have to plug it so that the turning can take place, and the eggs will be receiving heat uniformly. Like that. So we have the breather here. This is the breather. This one, when the humidity is too high, maybe you can come and you open. This ventilation here, when the humidity is not building up at the right rate, you come and close it. If you close it, the humidity buildup will be very fast, will take place very fast. And when it's too high, maybe you can come and open. And then another thing, this top cover has the candling. This is the candler. And it has the port for DC. And we also have another port back here. We have this port here for AC, the black. This one is for AC. So let us plug it on and see how it's working. In our case, we are going to use the AC cable. We are not going to demonstrate using the AC because I don't have the battery here, but I have electricity. Yeah, 60. So let us plug in our incubator. So when you plug it on, this figure will come up. So the first reading, let me bring the camera near so that you can see. So the first reading we have eggs turning time. Here after 1 hour 30 minutes, the rollers will start turning. It will take around 15 seconds, and then it comes back again to 1 hour 30 minutes. After reaching 00, it will take 15 seconds, roller spinning, and then after 15 seconds it comes back to 1 hour 30 minutes. And then the second one, we have the hatching days. After every 24 hours, this figure will keep on increasing. But you don't trust this one that much. So it's better you mark somewhere on the calendar on the day when you place the eggs inside the incubator. And then this side we have relative humidity. This is the relative humidity. So this is where water play a bigger part. When the humidity is too low, you will have to top up water through these 3 channels, and the water you are topping up must always be lukewarm, as I said. And then up here we have the temperature. This is the temperature, it's in degrees Celsius. So the right temperature, this one will keep on increasing because we have just started our incubator right now. The temperature inside the incubator obviously is still down, so the coil, the heating coil will heat, and this one will keep on increasing up to around 37.8 or 38.0, which is the right temperature for most eggs to hatch. And then the humidity should range around 55 to 70. Around 55 to 70, that's the right range for the humidity. So for the last 3 days for chicken eggs incubation, that is after 18 days, this one is not supposed to go below 60. So it's supposed to play maybe around it's supposed to fluctuate around 70 to 60. So when it goes below, when it goes below 60, let's say 57 or 58 or 59, you will come and top up the water through down here. So if you want to increase maybe the humidity, when the humidity is not building up fast, you will come and close this ventilation here. When the humidity is too high, you just come and open this ventilation. So this our incubator have the candling torch. This is the candling torch, and the best time to do the candling is when the eggs have incubated for around 7 days. When the eggs have when you have already incubated your eggs for around 7 days, that's the right time, or that's the easiest time when you will detect whether your eggs are fertile or they are infertile. So if you want to put this one on, you'll come and press you'll come and press this one here. We have the lamp down here. This is the lamp. You'll come and press it on once. If you press it once, the light will come on and you'll do your candling, and then you press it off after finish. And then we have this other button. The incubator will always come when preset with the right temperature and the right humidity for chicken eggs to hatch. So there's no need of changing the setting which is already preset inside. Or maybe, let's say in a special case, maybe if you want to hatch something which require a different temperature and a different humidity. With the humidity, you will be playing with this one to increase it or to reduce it. And water, humidity you will be playing with this one and water inside. And then with the temperature, this one here, let us say maybe you want to hatch something which require lower temperature than 38.0. Let's say maybe 35. You want your incubator to play around 35 degrees Celsius. Setting the temperature, you'll have to be a bit fast. You'll come and long press this button here, the set button. This one, sorry. Let me show you just 1 minute. You don't change those one. If you want to change the set temperature, you come and you long press this one. Sorry. And then maybe you want something. You want to set your temperature maybe 35.0. 35.0, and then the humidity, you come, sorry, for humidity you press that one, okay, your setting will be saved. And then for humidity you come, you long press this one again, and then you do the change. That is how you can change the setting for temperature and humidity for this incubator. So let's say maybe you have forgotten all those processes, and you want to reset your incubator to the factory mode, which is the right temperature and the right humidity for hatching chicken eggs, and you have forgotten all those procedures. So if you want to reset it back to factory setting, what you'll do, you'll come and press these two buttons, this one, the positive one and the negative one, up and down at once simultaneously. Wait. So that is how we reset the incubator. Yeah? If you want to reset it, you come and press the up button and down button, or positive and negative button simultaneously, just like that, for some time, and then you leave. That is how we reset the incubator. And then when you're hatching maybe chicken, or you're hatching ducks or goose or pigeon, and you don't know the right temperature and humidity, this incubator is already preset with those settings. So we have the goose, we have the chicken, we have duck, we have goose, and we have pigeon. Pigeon. When this light here, which is right now at the custom, is down here, you cannot change any figure. Because they are already preset inside the incubator. They are already installed. So you can only play with the temperature setting and humidity setting when the light is on customize. So when you change this light to maybe chicken or duck or goose, there's no way you can change the temperature and humidity, because they are already installed inside the incubator. So this is how you can change this light to come, maybe to come here on chicken, duck or goose. You come and long press this button here, mode. If you long press, you see the light is now on the chicken. You long press it again, it change again to duck. If you do the same thing again, the light will keep on moving from chicken, what, and then if you want to come back to customize, you will just continue pressing the mode button until you reach customize. So this is where you can hatch anything with which is not here. Okay, now as I was saying, if you want to know whether the turning system is taking place or not, there's no need of waiting for 1 hour 30 minutes. That will take too long. So you can maybe confirm manually. If you want to confirm manually, you'll come and long press this up button, the one with the positive sign. You'll come and long press it, and then here, this sign here, the light red will come up here. So at that time, when the light is on, that is when the rollers are turning. So we can just do it manually to confirm our turning system. Long press this one, and then this one, this light here, the light is on. So let us see inside if the turning is taking place, and the countdown is here. So after 1 minute 15 seconds, let us see if the turning is taking place. And be keen, the turning is taking place, and the turning is too slow. That is how the turning is taking place. Here you can see the numbers are going down. Yeah, that is how the turning, that is how to confirm whether the turning is taking place or not. Yeah. I hope you have learned something from today, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. We'll always be learning together. If there's something which I've left out, please don't hesitate to comment. Like my video, share, subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.